Today we're going to be starting our burlap stitching, and once you have your design drawn out on the back, you can pick out a piece of burlap. Now I decided to draw my design so that I would use it vertically, the tall way. You could also use your design this way. Remember, you are asked to include a pattern that goes all the way around your burlap, some solid shapes, and I picked raindrops and circles. You should have at least one line that is dashed line that's going to represent the running stitch, and then you have to have at least one line that is solid, and that's going to represent the back stitch. And I would like you to draw out your design using the colors you're hoping to use. If you notice here, I actually drew this in pencil first, and then I went back and added the colors. So now that my design is finished, I can pick out a piece of burlap, and I decided I was going to use this neutral color. Your first job is to even out the edges. You can see how this is kind of shaggy here on the edge. What you're going to be doing is pulling off all of those extra strings until you get a full line that goes all the way across. And this should come off pretty easy. Okay, and then I can do one more. And now I have it all the way across, the solid line all the way across. And I'm going to do that to all of my sides. And this just creates sort of a fringe and edging to our project. And all these little pieces you're just going to keep together, and they will go into the garbage. If you look carefully at these lines, you can see how there is spaces in between. And what you'll want to do is draw, or you're going to be stitching where you draw. And I would like you to be in at least 5 from the edge. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this is where I can do my green dotted line for my border. So not only am I kind of roughing out where my picture's going to go, but I'm using those same colors too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll draw this one this way. So it's a nice way to kind of, you want to do your best to try to keep your design in that track all the way across for your border. You'll find that this is a little bit tricky to draw on. It doesn't have to be perfect. We just want to kind of see where we're going on this, okay? So you can see my green lines on there. And now I'm going to continue to draw the rest of my design onto the burlap.